All right, welcome to another art talk. So today I wanted to read a poem that I wrote based on the struggles that I know people are facing on giving up in their artwork. Lack of skills and knowledge, added pressure to, so many commitments and imposter syndrome through and through. I don't feel inspired by what it is I draw. I'm tired. I don't practice enough. I don't feel a connection anymore. It takes too long. My art is not good enough. No matter how much I try, it's hard to stay motivated. I lost myself somewhere. I just want to cry. I'm not creative enough. I can't come up with new ideas on my own. No response to job applications as I watch others succeed, most certainly who have grown. I'm tired of others' opinions. I know I'll never be a professional within this industry. The studios just care about money and not quality. I'm simply not creative enough for them to hire me. I have a lack of direction, practice routines, a lack of engagement, and finding an audience who will see what I see. I don't like how my art turns out. I don't have time for me. I'm simply burnt out and even too old for this industry. I'm too indecisive. Where I live makes it hard. I feel like I'm never getting better because I feel scarred. As I practice some work on my style, it just isn't changing enough for me. I'm never good enough to get hired. It just makes me want to flee. There is way too much competition, criticism, and people not being fair. Scrolling through social media, I am losing my care. Lack of engagement, not content with my skill. I feel I'm deteriorating as the perfectionist in me is making me ill. Anxiety and depression for sure is holding me back. Low energy and spark is making me crack. I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do, how to make a portfolio. I'm a failure and I know it's true. Not one professional job, I feel I'm never seen. Insecurity and lack of income doesn't make me keen. Too isolated, no support, I'm stuck at a job that I don't like with no self-improvement. There's no end in sight. There is not enough time for me. I don't trust my imagination. Art is too competitive and demanding. I can't focus on a direction. There's enough good art out there, you see. There is no need for an artist like me. Comparison to others, I feel like I don't know what it is I'm doing. I just can't get in the flow. I started too late. I know I'm not improving. It's better I stop now to run from my self-loathing. Dealing with people is exhausting. They make me want to scream. And I know that I'm a slow learner with very low self-esteem. It is doubt and fear that is holding me back. I belong on the back burner. I might as well pack. I'm quite jealous and angry about what I see. These algorithms on social media are really killing me. I can't seem to concentrate. Too many changes with commissions too. I'm not talented enough to see this career through. Wait. Let me help you see you're not the only one suffering with uncertainty. I know a formula. It all starts with you. Forgetting about the other artists and what they will do. Start forming new habits. Share your thoughts with friends to be in communities you adore. I promise you these actions will help you score. Allow yourself to do your art in your own way. Trust in timing and you will make it through this day. Art is not about perfection. It's about finding your own voice. And through your daily actions, I know you can rejoice. Make art and have fun. Love, Stephen.